in this video, Torchlite RV Park in Clermont, Florida. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. If you haven't been to my channel, if you've been to my channel, welcome back. Here we are in Clermont, Florida at Little Torch RV Park. What's the name? Torch RV Park. Torchlite RV Park. Here's the setup. We are in Site C. We're getting ready to head out to Clermont Historic Center and do some bike riding. But here's the setup. You know, it's a quick setup. We had the awning out. We tied it down because it's a little windy today. And last night it was windy as well when we pulled in. We have water and power. It's just a 30 amp right here. Just a 30 amp. So easy setup. So we'll catch you all at the Historic Clermont Center. We're here in Clermont in the historic area. We just had lunch at Sun Creek Brewing and we're gonna go for the bike ride. There's a park underneath us over there. That's where we're gonna be heading. And there's a big lake we're gonna go around. Well, we're not sure what we're doing, but we're gonna head out that way and see what we find. I know there's a paved trail. Here are small clips of our bike ride. We went east about 5 miles on the trail. I learned the trail's name is Lake Apopka. This first section is a park area. We just went by the restrooms. Here they have a playground. And this is a beach on the lake. The trail goes along the lake road. These homes have their own private pier on the lake. The trail goes through a nice residential area as well, well shaded. The trail goes through a wilderness with lots of trees, well shaded. Here it goes on the roads with murals on the walls. Good morning everybody. This is our last day here at Torchlite RV Park. Today's President's Day. Happy President's Day. Yesterday we went to Lakeridge Winery. Here we are at Lakeridge Winery, listening to live music, enjoying lunch, looking over rolling hills and the vineyards. They have a free and paid wine tour. We did both. And after that, we did some more bike riding down the trails in downtown Clermont. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RV park. It's a humble, small RV park. We didn't realize this, but it's 55 and over. It's 95% residential. The section we're in right here, this is where the rent by the day, it looks like. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is the entrance, Torchlite Trailer Park, RV Park. This is State Road 27. Let's go ahead and go in. Like I said earlier, this is 95% residential. This is the front office. You park your rig here to the right, and to the left is the front office where you register. As you come in, we have the dump station to the right there. And you're gonna make your first right. The campsites are pull-throughs, so you wanna come through the back. And as you can see, Torchlite Mobile Home Community. We later learned 55 and over are for long-term stay only. Daily rentals is not age restricted. You're gonna come in here, you make your immediate left, and that street ahead of us, that's all residential. That just leads back to the entrance. No point in going down that way. So we're gonna make a left. If you will be staying here. These roads are very narrow. And these are the RV sites that they rent out, and it's alphabetical. You have A, B, and we are in C. There's the Geo Pro. And it looks like there's some storage to the right as well. Let's continue because there is some more storage in the back. So let's continue towards the back. It's a small campground. Again, it's 95%, 98% residential. Let's go check out the storage. It's very quiet, it's peaceful. This is where they have storage. You can store your RV here. Storage is $65 a month as of February 2023. What do you know? There's a Geo Pro being stored back here. That's the FTS 19, I believe, because it has the slide out on the side. It's just like ours. It's just that the dinette slides out, which was a little heavier for the Wrangler to haul, so that's why, to pull, to tow. So that's why we didn't get that one. And we're back to the main street here. We're just gonna head out back to the site, and I'll show you where the bathhouse restrooms are. They're coming ahead. This is the main street. This is the street that you enter in. To the left is where we entered for the storage area. Now this little shed you see on the right hand side, those are the restrooms, bathhouse. You have two, they're unisex. They'll give you a key when you register. The key works for both. This is one of the bathhouse. They are small. You have the urinal, toilet. Here's the shower. This is the second one. Got two toilets. and the shower in the back here. Again, these are unisex. One key for both restrooms. Bathhouse. And we are gonna be right up here. And this is where we are. Site C. Plenty of room. And the sad moment has arrived where we have to leave the campsite. Bye, baby. There's the Geo Pro with the Gladiator. And Site C, it's ready for the next camper. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. Till next time, everybody.